feed my dog raw chicken? The answer, as with most things, is it depends. Dogs are not the best animals for raw chicken, but if you occasionally cook some and serve it well, your dog can learn to live peacefully with your raw chicken. What's in raw chicken? Raw chicken is a great source of calcium and other nutrients that are important for your dog's health. Raw chicken is a great way to give them protein, which they need to maintain strong muscles. Raw chicken contains a lot of potassium, which helps keep a dog's heart healthy. Potassium also aids in a dog's muscle function and nerve transmission. Plus, raw chicken is also high in vitamin B3, which helps ward off heart disease, kidney disease, and a host of other conditions. Chicken is a good source of vitamins. Vitamin A, Vitamin B, and Vitamin D help to keep a dog's coat and skin healthy. Chicken is a good source of vitamins. The other vitamins that raw chicken contains are Vitamin B, Vitamin C, niacin, magnesium, and choline. All these vitamins are important in keeping your dog healthy. Raw chicken bones are an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus, which help promote bone and dental health. It contains also zinc, which supports vision, growth, reproduction, wound healing, and the immune system. Chicken is also a good source of niacin, which can boost heart health. But there are a few things to consider before feeding your dog raw chicken. First, chicken can be a source of foodborne illnesses like Salmonella and Campylobacter, so it's important to ensure the chicken you're feeding is fresh and reputable. Second, raw chicken can be tough on a dog's digestive system, so it's important to transition them slowly if you're planning on switching to a raw diet. Lastly, make sure to supervise your dog while they're eating raw chicken, as there is a risk of choking. Can I feed my dog raw chicken necks? Yes, you can feed your dog raw chicken necks, and many people do. Just be sure to supervise your dog while they eat, as chicken necks can be a choking hazard. Provide also plenty of fresh water. Some people choose to grind up the chicken necks before feeding them to their dogs, to reduce the risk of choking. You should also make sure that the chicken necks you feed your dog are fresh, and have not been sitting out for too long. Can I feed my dog raw chicken hearts? Sure, you can feed your dog raw chicken hearts if you want to. Just be sure to cook them first to avoid any potential bacteria or parasites that could make your pup sick. Chicken hearts are a good source of protein and other nutrients, so they can be a healthy addition to your dog's diet. Just be sure not to overdo it. Too much of anything, even something as healthy as chicken hearts, can cause problems for your dog. Can I feed my dog raw chicken feet? Yes, you can feed your dog raw chicken feet. Chicken feet are packed with collagen and other nutrients that are great for your dog's health. They can help to improve your dog's skin and coat, and also promote healthy joints. How often can I give my dog raw chicken wings? Dogs are carnivores and their digestive tract can't digest bones as easily as those of herbivores. It's best to give them bones occasionally. If you're feeding them chicken feet, it's best not to give them more than once or twice a week. Generally, it's a good idea not to give your dog chicken bones. Dogs can choke on them. If you've given your dog chicken bones, feed him quiet boneless chicken wings so he can enjoy the taste without swallowing bones. Make sure you trim the wings completely and then grind them into bite-sized pieces. Alternatively, you can chop the wings into small pieces. If the dogs are very young, you should feed them chicken wings that are frozen, but that's it. Should I feed my dog raw chicken drumsticks? There is some debate over whether or not raw chicken drumsticks are safe for dogs to eat. Some people believe that they are a healthy, natural food for dogs, while others believe that they can pose a health risk. If you decide to feed your dog raw chicken drumsticks, it is important to make sure that they are fresh and clean. Avoid feeding your dog chicken that has been sitting out or that has been cooked in any way, as this can increase the risk of food poisoning. It is also important to supervise your dog while they are eating, as chicken bones can pose a choking hazard. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to feed your dog raw chicken drumsticks is up to you. If you choose to do so, make sure that you take precautions to ensure their safety. Should I feed my dog raw chicken liver? There are many different opinions on whether or not you should feed your dog raw chicken liver. Some people believe that it is a healthy and natural way to give your dog the nutrients they need, while others believe that it could potentially be harmful. There is no right or wrong answer, and ultimately it is up to you to decide what you feel is best for your dog. If you do choose to feed them raw chicken liver, make sure that you source it from a reputable place and that it is fresh and clean. What are the risks of giving your dog raw chicken liver? Raw chicken liver can hurt the health of your dogs. Raw chicken liver contains small amounts of toxins that can easily accumulate in your dog's body. Over time, these toxins can cause severe damage to the dog's liver. Raw chicken liver contains harmful bacteria that can cause serious health issues in your dog. These harmful bacteria include Salmonella and Campylobacter. If your dog has any of these harmful bacteria in its system, it can easily spread throughout its entire body. The risk of Salmonella increases if you feed your dog raw chicken liver. As a result, it's recommended that you cook the raw chicken liver before feeding it to your dog. If possible, you should boil the chicken liver for at least 5 minutes before feeding it to your dog. Are raw chicken bones safe for my dog to eat? Dogs love chewing on bones, and it can provide them with some valuable health benefits as well. As long as you're giving your dog raw bones, you're providing your dog with several health benefits. However, raw chicken bones can be dangerous for your dog to eat, especially when the dog is small. Canines usually swallow bones whole, which can prove dangerous. Their digestive system's construction is not able to handle this, which can lead to obstruction and other issues. Many people choose to feed their dogs raw chicken, as it is a healthy option. However, some veterinarians warn that you may be putting your dog at risk of Salmonella or Campylobacter infections. Always supervise your dog when they are eating raw chicken and make sure to remove any small pieces of bones that they may choke on. Dogs can eat raw chicken, but you must feed them properly. It's always a good idea to consult with your veterinarian before giving your canine chicken, just to make sure it's safe for them to eat. When can I feed my puppy raw chicken? A good rule of thumb is to wait until your puppy is at least 6 to 8 weeks old before feeding them raw chicken. How to cook raw chicken for your dog. If you are feeding your dog raw chicken, there are several ways to cook the chicken. You can cook the chicken on the stovetop, or you can cook the chicken in a slow cooker. You can also cook the chicken on the grill. How often can I feed my dog raw chicken? There is no definitive answer to this question, as it depends on several factors, such as your dog's age, health, and activity level. However, as a general rule of thumb, you should limit raw chicken wings to no more than once or twice a week. If you are unsure, always consult with your veterinarian first. Give your dog 1 or 2 raw chicken wings per meal. How much raw chicken should you feed your dog? According to IAMS, you should feed your dog 0.5 to 2% of his body weight in chicken. Keep watching your dog. To prevent sickness or injuries while eating chicken, make sure you supervise the dog while eating, especially the first time. Thank you for watching this video.